Hello everyone, here we are again in Batangas Racing Circuit. It's about a warm afternoon. We are Saturday the 27th. We arrived yesterday for our pre-weekend test session in the car. We had a couple of problems with the car yesterday. One of the problems was the battery failed midway towards the end of the pushing lap. So the car went dead and I careered into the grass. After we fixed the battery issue, we went out again. During that lap, the transmission lines, one of them burst open, making transmission fluid squirt all over the underside of the car. Lots of smoke, lots of red liquid dripping everywhere, and we've now nicknamed the car Dracula because the front of the car, it appeared to have blood trickling out of it. Anyway, so we've managed to fix that problem, and we've just finished track attack battle today. Jerish and the team worked very hard last night till midnight. Ready to race today in the track attacks, there's session 1 and 2. We didn't make the warm up because of finalising the repairs on the car, but now that we got them done, we ran in session 1 and session 2, and we managed to finish P1 today in track attack, which is good. So very super happy with that. We did a 141.5 in the morning and we did a 141.6 in the afternoon, and both those times were good enough for P1, so we got consistency and the car felt good. So now it's all about tomorrow, the grid race tomorrow. We're going to be out for the warm-up, setting a time, nominating a time, and then our grid race is at 3:30 tomorrow, 7-lap grid race like we did last time. Let's hope for the same result.
Time to wake up, Dracula.
Wait, the arrival of number 34, Candy Racing, the Amsoil Racing Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. See that bump going on at the front, on the hood? That's where the supercharger is at. V8 with a supercharger. It's got a lot of muscle going on. American muscle by the British driver out there. Motorsports, Juan Lucero, and out they go! Oh, it's gonna get really, really tight up in here. Toyotas, the Mitsubishis against the almost always favorite Hondas. What's up? Uncle Edwin, and there goes their Camaro running away from the Supra. Mark Savina trying to run away from Angelo Mottoto. Let's see if Angelo's going to allow that to happen. They have to be, well, doing their best, maximizing the current setup, and hope for the best to get closer to the very impressive performance getting flexed over here by Mark Savino on that number 34 AMSOIL racing machine. Chevy Camaro ZL1 against the Toyota Vios of Alan Escoto. Safely through it, and 3 laps. Will be down to the second and the final lap in just a short while. Oh, there it goes. Angelo Matoto with traffic going on Mark Sabino's campaign. He gets an opportunity to get closer. Oh, here we go. He's on the slipstream of the Chevrolet Camaro. Angelo Matoto attacking on the outside line. I'm getting goosebumps over here. Outside line. Can he make it? Can he catch the Chevrolet Camaro? Goes a little bit sideways, twitching a little bit. 2 laps to go. We are in the second and the final lap. And on the slipstream he goes. Closing the tail of that Camaro. Number 34 is Mark Savino. Right behind him is Angelo Matoto.
Also gets the advantage.
Man,
over
the
here.
traffic has cost Mark Savino. Oh, man. This is going to be for the R-Bend late breaking move. Will it be available for Angelo Matoto in that red Supra? But no space on the inside. Usually you can get an inside line, racing line to get to P1, especially if you got longer legs against an opponent in front of you. But man, the pace of that Chevrolet Camaro, 2 minutes 09. From the previous lap, it was a 2 minutes 10.2. Oh, made that 1 minute 43 versus the 1 minute 45. 143 by Mark and the 145 by Angelo. The purple lap, aka the fastest lap of the race, is still owned by Mark Savino, 143.0. Looking like it's going to be like this on the checkered flag. Impressive performance by Candy Racing's Mark Savino. An awesome job by Angelo Matoto trying to outpower a bigger, more powerful, and well-prepared Mark Savino for today's race. Is it going to be a chance for a drag race finish to the checkered flag? No. And it's going to be like this on the checkered flag. Here we go, P1.
Candy Racing, Team Great Britain, Team American Muscle, and Team Candy, Team Batangas. Thank you so much, guys, for traveling.